You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Okay, today I'm going to share with you the Spellbinders, a card kit of the month for March 2023, and this is called Be Yourself. So let's take a peek at the contents of the kit, and then we'll create some projects. All of the products come inside of this little zipper bag, and this is a great storage pouch where you can keep all of the products for this kit together. So we have the instruction sheet that tells us what comes inside of it, a little bit of inspiration, and step-by-steps on how to create this card. Okay, so let's separate this out here. So like all of the card kits, you get some adhesive, you get some double-sided foam squares and some double-sided tape. You get your pack of card bases and envelopes, and these are pre-cut and scored A2 size card bases. We have some pattern paper, some colored cardstock, some ephemera, a couple of packages of puffy stickers, a package of chipboard stickers, and some gorgeous sequins. And these are really neat because they're flat, they don't have a hole in them, so they'll create some really nice shine on your project without adding too much dimension. I really like these little puffy sentiments, super cute. And the die cuts, there's just a ton in here. I'll pull those out in a minute. Let's start with this pattern paper and take a peek at that. So this is 6x6 pattern paper, and it is single-sided, so you don't have to choose which side you want to work with. And there's some beautiful, oh, look at those little bees with some foil accents, some honeycombs, some more bees. Really pretty patterns in here. Okay, and then for the cardstock, you get some pre-cut panels in a beautiful variety of colors. I love that green. That green is gorgeous. Some green, blue, yellow, pink, and purple. And this is nice heavyweight cardstock. And you get 4 pre-cut pieces of each color. So basically it would create one standard 8.5 by 11 sheet cut down into panels. So you get 4 of each color. So pretty and springy. Now for the ephemera, you get a lot in here. A lot of pieces. A little bit of everything. You got some tags, some bees, some stamps, some florals, little homes, sentiments, some foil accent things. That's really pretty cute. Little honeycomb, hedgehog. Oh, these are beautiful. I'm excited to make some projects with these. All right, so I'm gonna think about this a little bit and then start creating some card projects for you. I made a stack of projects with that card kit. I thought I would just kind of show you the things that I made instead of walking you through step by step. I feel like this would be a little bit more inspirational than watching me glue and cut papers and things. So I had gone through all of the elements and picked out patterns and ephemera that I thought would coordinate nicely together to create some projects. So first, I'm going to start with these tags. I had these tags in my drawer, just sitting there. I hadn't used them. They were just scrap pieces that I had. So I stamped to and from on the back of all of them, and I just used some of the ephemera to create little scenes on the cards. So let's take a look at some of these. These are super pretty and simple. There's really not much going on them. I just glued down some of the die cuts. There's another one. These really don't have a theme. They're just random die cuts that I had left over that I thought would coordinate nicely with a gift or something. I like this one. This one's my favorite. Really cute. Okay, so I did 5 tags with the ephemera. And then here are some of the cards I made. So I'll start with this one. This one was the most complicated. I punched out a bunch of little squares, and then I had another layering punch to create sort of, they kind of look like stamps. I placed them all over the card and drew little stitching details, and then added some of the puffy stickers on the yellow solid background. So I thought that was really fun and a super interesting look. So it's like a patchwork quilt. Really pretty. Another one, I was kind of playing with this. I liked the little truck with the flowers. And this card doesn't make sense at all. There's a little truck, and there's so many beautiful reasons to be happy. I just really like that little rainbow. I like all the colors. And I just put a little pattern paper with some solid colored cardstock. And that was it for this card. Now this one, I created strips of the pattern paper layered on some of the yellow cardstock. I used a scrap of yellow cardstock to kind of ground my sentiment and my flowers. And I popped up the little butterfly with some of the foam squares. And then this one, I like this hot air balloon with the clouds. Really pretty. Keep on being you. I like the soft colors here, and I thought the gold matched this sentiment strip here from the pattern paper. So there's that one. So far we've done 4 cards. And then I decorated some of the envelopes. I used some of those little stamp ephemera bits and put them on the corner of the envelope, and then on the back of the envelopes I added some of the ephemera too, so that instead of licking my envelope I could just tuck it into the ephemera. I thought that was cute. It kind of brought everything together and helped decorate that plain envelope. Okay, so the next one, I have this happy day card. This is a birthday card, and I used one of the little banner ephemera pieces. I punched out a scallop out of the center of the purple cardstock that I used in the background so that I wouldn't waste anything and I'd get that nice little scallop to put my cake on. And then once again I did the ephemera postage stamp and with a little ticket on the back so I could tuck my envelope flap into that ticket. Next we have a hello card. This is so cute. I love this little hedgehog guy with the flowers. Super pretty. And then I layered up some of the pattern paper and that green cardstock. I just love that green cardstock. And then I created a little Christy Marcotte inspired banner in the top left corner out of a scrap of this pattern. And that's just a cute little hello. And then the envelope for this card says just for you. And again with a little ticket so that I can tuck the envelope in. The last card, this one's my favorite. So I've got this sweet little honey, and I've got a couple of the patterns. I've got the honeycomb pattern on the bottom, and then all of the bees are on the top, and the big bee's nest. Super pretty. And I popped up some of those little bees for some dimension, and I also popped up the nest as well. I don't, what's this called? Is this called a nest? A bee nest? I'm not sure. Whatever it's called, where the bees live. So that was a really pretty card. And then again, I've got the little ephemera postage stamp with a little ticket to tuck my flap. 7 cards, 4 envelopes, and 5 tags with this kit. And I have a ton of stuff left over. I could make a whole bunch more little projects like this. Okay, that's going to be it for today's video. This card kit is available for the month of March in the Spellbinders shop, and I will have that linked in the description box down below if you're interested in taking a look at that. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend it here with me. I appreciate the support as always. Coming up on screen is a playlist of videos I think you may enjoy. Have yourself a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!